I don't wanna pull it all apart. You know?
It's like you're on a dashboard, right?
No, it's the whole entire, like, wiring harness.
How is your whole harness bad, but isn't it just on ECU?
No, it's the whole,
What happened to it?
there was no fusible link in between the battery and shit, and it melted the shit where all the main fuses are in the fucking compartment inside the computer.
Why do you have a system in it?
And I drained everything out of it. Motor's still good, but I just don't have like that kind of a good spot this whole thing right now.
Yeah.
Because if I was gonna fuck with that, there's a lot of things that need to get done to make that thing safe again.